In today's world, we've become disconnected from the land, from our roots, from each other. The skills that once defined us, the skills that ensured our survival, are fading into obscurity. We've traded them for convenience, for comfort, but at what cost? Out here, I find clarity. Every spark I strike, every trap I set, every step I take into the wild, I reconnect with something ancient and something pure. These are the skills of our ancestors, and they are more than just survival techniques. They are a way of life, a way of thinking. By keeping these skills alive, I'm keeping a piece of humanity alive. And that's something worth fighting for, something worth sharing with the world.